Here's a pair of Srhythm NC25 Bluetooth headphones, okay? I'm gonna show you how to reset these, okay? It's not an actual factory reset, it's resetting it where if you have it paired to any other device, it's gonna go ahead and delete all of those on those paired devices. So if you have a issue trying to connect to your device, go ahead and reset these, okay? So let's go ahead and reset these, but first, let me just show you. So right now I'm actually connected to my iPhone here, so Srhythm N25, it says connected. So as soon as we reset these, I should be logged off of here, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and grab the headphones here, and you have 4 buttons here, okay? So this top one's a multifunction button, and the left one here is volume down. We wanna press and hold volume down and multifunction button together. Press and hold, and keep on holding for about like 10 seconds or until you see it blinking blue and red. But to be safe, hold it down for 10 seconds, okay? We'll do it together. Volume down, multifunction button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Just keep holding for like 10 seconds. Keep on holding. Okay, I see it blinking blue and red right now. I can let go right now, but just wait till 10 seconds. 9, 10. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let go. Okay, so now it just reset. Now if you look at my phone here, it automatically disconnected from my phone here. It says not connected, okay? So now we reset these, okay? Now it's still blinking blue and red, indicating that it's in pairing mode, okay? So if I wanted to connect back to my same iPhone, it's the same thing with Android phone as well. So you can see the Srhythm is not connected. What I gotta do is I can't look down here, it's not gonna show up here, and I can't connect from here either, okay? It's not gonna work, so you have to forget the device, okay? Actually what you would do is click on, it's already forgot the device, but you wanna click on the eye and then go to forget device. So it forgot the device, okay? So it's not on here now, okay? Now we're still in pairing mode here. It's not going to show up here. Let me go back one time, and now let me go back to Bluetooth, and now we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and voila, it shows up. So if you want to reconnect back to the same device, you can go ahead and do that as well. So Srhythm N25, and I am connected. All right, good luck, guys.